I lived in my self-made camper for 3 years searching for a more sustainable lifestyle. Join us as we continue this pursuit of living. I'm Ryan Brown and I'm getting out of town. This is Pop-Up Life.
I got clear sky blue since I saw you.
Welcome to the Freedom Frontier. It's our little slice of heaven.
That's all we had to do.
I wanted a place where I could get away from the distractions and just like connect with people and spend time together.
Give me a feeling, the taste of a loving feeling.
We're at the Freedom Frontier. Here we are. We got running water. This is all gravity fed from a well, which is very exciting. This is the best thing about the cabin, the old wood fire stove. Cook on it, dry your gear in the winter. We got a Goal Zero, all solar power here. That's what we're mostly running.
I wanna live, I wanna
Welcome.
live.
Power anything, anywhere.
I got love,
Love that.
I got love.
This is Austin Granger from Traeger. He's a fucking man. All right, Jay's here. Skate session's on.
Just trying to light up the skate park, I guess.
Fell.
Think it'll work? I think it's gonna work. I think with all this Goal Zero stuff, it's gonna go down.
The other night was super cool. We had everyone up at the Freedom Frontier. Really rad skate session.
Don't give it to me easy.
Joey! He's back! He's home! My really close friend, Austin Granger, he works for Traeger. He came up and chefed up some ridiculous meal for everyone. So good.
Like I love you. I wanna live, I wanna live. I got a lot of love.
This is my hodgepodge of food.
Dude, this is insane. Grange killed it.
Man, that would be so sick to swing like
Driving up here for the first time was surreal. It's kind of magical, you know, thinking like, oh, there's this little cabin perched up on the hillside with a skate park and everything you need.
Take my hand, how do you feel?
Good morning.
Love.
We're here at the Freedom Frontier. Had an epic night last night. Made some coffee, having a real casual morning, and sometimes we'll just fire it off with a good old
I got love.
clay shooting. Little shotty. That'll wake everyone up. There you go.
Where I seek a sanction from the Lord, where the Savior.
You went from right there?
Yeah, somewhere right there. It is mellow.
Yeah. Should I go for the high one?
Yeah.
Go for the high one?
Go from the top rope, Terry.
Go, Terry! The mountain with my heart for to keep. Watch them with Laddie Gordon. And I drink the blue
Go fishing?
saloon. And I dance at night with the Mormon boys and ride home by the light of the moon.
What up?
Oh,
Nice,
yeah.
dude.
It looks way smaller. Right
Yeah, right? Well, even when I got over here, I was like, oh, when I jumped off, it was tiny. And then I got up there, I was like,
When you're up there.
yeah,
You're
it's a
like,
little bigger.
it looks pretty big.
Yeah.
Blue mountain with who's it on your side? You have won my heart for to keep. I shop at my mama's store where there's bullets.
Yeah.
Hold on, that's nice.
the
That one's pretty, though.
Yeah.
My calico treasure is my horse will measure when I'm drunk and I'm feeling sore. Blue mountain, you rise, you're deep. Blue mountain with sides so steep. Blue mountain with horse head on your side. You have won my heart for to keep. In summer, the sun does shine.
I'm definitely like Elle's biggest fan. Her music's pretty next level. You need to hear it in person to like really get the feel, because her music is very deep and she has like such an energy when she plays.
Blue mountain, you rise, you're deep. Blue mountain with sides so steep. Blue mountain with who's it on your side? You have won my heart for to keep. Yes, you have won my heart for to keep.
He was right. That one's good.
Thank you.